It's the 22nd of October. It's opening day of rifle whitetail deer season here in Georgia. We're at Goose Pond at Oglethorpe at our buckskin hunting club. Got the new F-350 today. Brady and my dad are out riding right now, but I wanted to drive this bad boy down here, pulling, you know, about a 4,000 pound overall payload behind me, just to get an experience, to see how it is in the stock form, how it does off-road, how it does on the highway. And my trailer is definitely inadequate. I need a double axle trailer for my Can-Am. I really want like an 8x20 enclosed trailer. That's really what I want, and maybe make it a little sleeping quarters as well, be able to haul more. So if you have a trailer hookup, holla at your boy. But this truck is incredible. It drives better to me pulling a load as far as overall stability and comfort, as far as my steering, ease of steering. I don't know if any of you have ever experienced that, but I was very impressed with pulling the load, how easy it was. Obviously the power stroke's got all the power that you need. Let me show you some of the truck. Brady had a game last night, so blew out Walnut Grove, doing phenomenal, and couldn't come this morning, so came for the afternoon hunt. We're going riding at Durhamtown tomorrow, but we're working with a little Brown in action. We got 2 X bolts. We got the Canyon model, which is my favorite, and 270 with the ball system. And I'm a real tree guy, but the 350 Limited, we're about to go up 10 inches and 40s and 26s, but I'm just wanting to spend as much time as I can with the truck now in the stock form, just to bring you, you know, just more of my thoughts on how it drives stock versus customized versus experience, etc. You know, we're a supplier of Yetis, and we've hooked up Seek One in the past. Love those guys. I'm a Summit stand guy. Shot the gun today. I want to show you a little shooting bench right there, and we're shooting about 70 yards just to make sure we're locked in. All 3 of us were money. Let me show you. Brady only shot 6 times total, and his last 2 shots were right there, and he was 3-ringed it right there on his other 3. And I was down here, these 4 here, and my dad was throwing them high there at the end, but he got it dialed in there at the end. But always shoot your gun, especially if it's the start of the season and you really don't know if it's gotten banged up or moved or whatnot. Obviously my dad's was shooting a little bit high, but me and Brady were ready to rock. That used to be our outhouse at our old location, but now it's our pump house because we have water now. We got TV, we got, again, more running water there. We got a little shower. Here's my dad's truck, Stevens County. They won again last night, and we'll shoot skeet out in this area from time to time. If it's a nice day, probably should have brought it this weekend. But Star White Metallic, it's a tri-coat. It's going to be beautiful with the Stormtrooper paint scheme. It's going to be huge. This truck is going to be, I mean, I don't know if my Gen Y hitch is going to be long enough. I don't think it is. I think I'm going to need one that's even longer, because I'm gonna be just so high. I think it'd be too much pitched up right there. So always keep in mind and consider when trailering something, get an equal ride height there via the correct hitch. And again, I don't think I'm gonna be long enough, y'all. But I love this truck. It's great. It's different from a Raptor, but it gives me a more confident and strong feeling. I feel stronger and tougher, if that makes any sense. And I love this navy pier interior on the Limited. We got the Starlight headliner. Let me show you. The Starlight headliner at nighttime, it's just unbelievable. It looks great with the Alcantara suede there, but interior is great. And we are loaded with our deer equipment and camping gear. Putting this truck to work off the get-go. Now let's see if we have some cool scenes from our deer hunt. Let's go get one. I debated not painting this at all, but you know, my boy Austin had to come through and tell me we are. So we're doing Stormtrooper, we're doing black and white. It's gonna be iconic because we're on that Limited front grille, which is just totally different. There's no other grill like it. So you know this is the premier truck when you see that grill variation there. So excited to see all the paint come to the fruition. You know I'm doing all white on there. You know I'm doing some custom stuff in the headlights. It's going to be epic. I can't wait to show you this truck and the stages it goes through. I don't do a good enough job of just saying what's up on a given day's basis, so I'm sorry about that. I'll try to do better, but just wanted to showcase today what I'm doing this weekend. Going to ride Durhamtown tomorrow, so stay tuned for some more info from that, as well as me dialoguing with my experiences on the Super Duty. If you're in the market for a Super Duty, watch this channel, because I'm going to bring you in-depth information on my true thoughts of experiencing this in the stock form, and then on an extreme mild to wild scale on the wild side for sure. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out.